DavyMarkham is part of the $1 billion IVRCL group, providing total solutions to your engineering requirements, with the ability to lift individual structures weighing up to 350 tons. The company specialises in large turnkey projects utilising a wealth of experience in hydraulics, controls, engineering, installation and servicing. DavyMarkham prides itself on providing a safe, reliable service. Safety is the #1 priority in the business, with risk assessments and method statements being replicated both at DavyMarkham's manufacturing base and on working sites. Quality and reliability are also integral to DavyMarkham, which is why contracts are assigned a dedicated project manager to keep them on time and on budget. DavyMarkham have nearly 2 centuries of mining experience. Davy was founded in Sheffield in 1830, while Markham started life in Chesterfield in 1889. Charles Paxton Markham was a true visionary, and in 1889 he acquired Yorkshire's biggest foundry. He built up a 1,000-strong workforce with a unique knowledge of mining, and by the start of the Second World War, 20% of British coal was brought to the surface using Markham & Co. equipment. In the 20s, Markham was supplying winders to South Africa for the mining of gold. Since then, they've supplied over 500 hoists to the UK, Canada, Australia, Ghana and Turkey. Throughout its long and colourful history, the company has undergone a few name changes, but under the Caverna ownership, Davy and Markham were merged together to become one of Britain's most respected manufacturing names. In 2010, the company stepped up another gear, being acquired by IVRCL and HDO. DavyMarkham believe in innovation, forward planning and future-proofing. They use research and development programs to look into the use of cutting fluid, machine alignment programming and cutting tool efficiency, as well as collaborating on projects that aim to develop out-of-chamber electron beam welding, energy conservation and downtime data collection. DavyMarkham is a founding Tier 2 member of the Nuclear Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre. In 2007, DavyMarkham reinstated an on-site apprentice training school where skilled craftsmen pass their knowledge on to the next generation. Apprentices are trained to a high standard in fabrication, CNC machining and fitting, as well as mechanical and electrical maintenance. 25% of shop floor staff are currently in the apprentice scheme, and 120 full-time workers are already apprentice trained. DavyMarkham's skill, experience and dedication sets them apart from the competition. DavyMarkham supplied the largest double-drum hoist in North America for IAMGOLD's exciting new Westward exploration program. It has a diameter of 6.4 meters, a drum width of 2.4 meters, and a payload capacity of 20,000 kilograms. It serves as the main production hoist, operating at depths down to 2,652 meters. Another large project was Xstrata's nickel rim mine in Canada. DavyMarkham supplied a double-drum production hoist spanning 5.5 meters, plus a 4.9-meter double drum for their service hoist, 2 3-meter drums for an auxiliary hoist, plus refurbished the existing 4.9-meter double drum sinking hoist. For Agnico Eagle, DavyMarkham turned the operation at La Ronde mine around by supplying a 4.9-meter double-drum production hoist, a 4-meter single-drum service hoist, upgrading the existing double-drum production hoist to 5.8 meters, refurbishing the 4.9-meter double-drum production hoist, and 4.6-meter single-drum service hoist. DavyMarkham offer a full turnkey service from design and manufacture to installation and aftercare. DavyMarkham's design team work alongside you to make sure every part of the production goes smoothly. They'll provide modal analysis, seismic qualifications and traditional calculations. Using AutoCAD, they'll produce mechanical desktop models, making sure you know what's happening every step of the way. As well as desktop models, the design team will produce reports and studies, testing and commissioning schedules, and design risk assessments. They also use the very latest 3D finite element analysis software to ensure structures are sound before production is commissioned. DavyMarkham's shop floor is purpose-designed to specialise in the heaviest of heavy engineering. The fabrication department lifting machinery can handle loads of up to 275 tonnes, with 2 profile burning machines, 1 heavy plate Bronx roll bending machine, a 50-ton side press, 2 heat treatment ovens that will hold structures of 60 cubic metres, plus a post-weld stress relief unit that can take 150 cubic metres at a temperature of 900 degrees Celsius. Even when working with big structures and heavy engineering, the percentage of manufacturing tolerances are the same as a Swiss watch. Like on this 10-metre diameter cutter head that weighed 226 tonnes. The cranes in this area of the factory will handle colossal loads, with the capacity to lift up to 350 tonnes and an undercrane hook height of 12.8 metres. DavyMarkham's machine plate will handle enormous components. It's 34.5 metres long and measures 14.7 metres in width. And DavyMarkham can lathe, mill and bore structures as long as 14 metres. DavyMarkham's assembly area will prove tolerances and fits prior to transportation and installation. There are 2 assembly pits, one 4 metre deep, one 5, allowing an assembly space that measures a massive 13 metres to factory floor, or 17.5 metres to the pit floors. And with a crane that will take up to 275 tonnes, DavyMarkham check quality and accuracy before anything leaves the factory. When moving components around the factory, DavyMarkham have their own 1100-ton engine and rail system. And when it does leave the factory, they are well equipped to deliver. All the bridges between DavyMarkham's factory and the deep water port at Immingham have been reinforced to carry 400 tonnes. DavyMarkham also have unparalleled access to the M1, Britain's biggest motorway, and when a structure leaves British shores, the company's years of worldwide shipping experience ensure it reaches its destination safely. The job doesn't stop for DavyMarkham just because the structure has left the factory. After-sales care is second to none. DavyMarkham ensure reliability and efficient operation by offering lifetime maintenance contracts, condition monitoring to detect long-term trends and avoid damage, plus a spares and emergency repair service to give you peace of mind. And DavyMarkham will also upgrade hoists to bring them into line with up-to-date safety standards. DavyMarkham pride themselves on their safety record, their quality and reliability, and their ability to deliver on time and on budget. Make sure DavyMarkham are your first choice for future-proof mining solutions.